Hello friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this latest episode, I am going to bring you a new variety of jackfruit. It's a loose variety. In Tulu language, it's called as Tuluve. Tuluve jackfruit is very popular. So now, this jackfruit can be opened without the help of any instrument or a tool. So now I'm going to open it. So yeah, so you can open it very easily without any tool, and you see you have a beautiful jackfruit. Yeah, I'm opening it and showing. Now I'll remove one by one. You see, yeah, it's so tasty, so yummy tasty. Yeah, so I'll remove and put so many. Yeah, it's a beautiful variety. So today in this episode I am in the second part going to make a jackfruit halwa. So for the jackfruit halwa we are going to use jaggery, jackfruit and a piece of ginger. So I'll show you in the second part. You see how nice it is. You don't need a knife. So you grow this variety of jackfruit in your backyard, and still people doubt me. So I'll take one more piece. You can see very easily you can remove. Please grow this variety of jackfruit. You see, one more I'll remove. You see. Yeah, I'll ask my cameraman to come very closely and you see, very easily you can peel. Yeah, one more part. Yes, I'm taking it out. You see, don't need a knife. Yeah, so this is very lovely and it's very tasty. In Tulu language, we call it as Tuluva variety, Tuluve. So there are two types of jackfruit. One is very hard to remove. You should use a knife. Second one is Tuluve. It's very easy to eat and very tasty also. Very yummy, very tasty. The second part of my presentation, I am going to show you how you peel the jackfruit. So I am peeling the fruit. I'll remove the seed for halwa and I am going to put it in the container. Let me show you one more. So how I peel. So I open it, remove the seed, and this is the seed. This seed is very nutritious. So you can even eat the seed after boiling. You can use it in any curry, preserve it. So this is the content. So this is actually ready for halwa making. So content is here. Now what are the ingredients that are used for halwa? So I have jaggery here. 1 kilo of jaggery. 1 kilo of jaggery is here. Then I'm going to use elakki or elachi. Yeah. Then as a preservative, I'm going to use ginger. So this is a ginger plant. I'm going to use ginger as a preservative because I'm going to preserve the halwa for a long time. So now I'm going to crush the jaggery. So I'm going to just crush. So I'm going to crush it into small pieces. So this is how crush the jaggery. So jaggery I'm going to put it in the jackfruit. So that is one part. Then even elachi. So elachi I'm going to crush it. Elachi is for flavor. Elachi is for flavor. So there is elachi here. So that I am going to put. Yeah. Then finally ginger as a preservative. So ginger I am going to crush. I am going to put ginger into the mixture. Yeah. One more. Crush it nicely. Should become paste. Very natural ginger. So this. So all the three ingredients are mixed. So now in the third part we are going to just make the halwa. So everything is ready for the halwa making. So we are ready with the halwa making. So the ingredient is ready. The jackfruit along with the jaggery and we have all other things ready. So now I'm going to put on the gas. Yeah, now the gas is on. So I'll put the contents into the so everything is put in the. So now we'll first stir it nicely once. So this is the first step. I'll stir it nicely. It will take some time, maybe 10 minutes. You have to keep boiling it. So keep stirring. On a medium flame, keep it for 10 minutes. Let it become a very thick mixture. So you can see how the jackfruit is slowly dissolving. You can see how it is dissolving into. Slowly it is dissolving. Yeah. So now I'll wait, let it boil for 10 minutes and I'll show you how it is ready after the 10th minute. So now we have the jackfruit halwa ready. You can see here, I just see this is the halwa. It's ready, yummy halwa. You can taste, you can see. So how you can prepare halwa so easily with the few ingredients. So thank you for watching this episode. So halwa is ready for serving. Now you can preserve this halwa in the refrigerator for 6 months also. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Gardening is my love.